Hello students, in my previous video we have discussed about the Battle of Plassey. Now students, today we will discuss about the Battle of Buxar. Students, you very well knew that in the Battle of Plassey, Sirajuddaulah was defeated in this war. He was captured and killed. Mir Jafar was made the new Nawab of Bengal. Children, but he was the mere puppet of the hands of British. Means main power was in the hand of British. The Battle of Plassey was the company's first victory on India's soil. Children, a few years later, Mir Qasim became the new Nawab of Bengal. Mir Qasim, the new Nawab of Bengal, was an efficient, able and strong ruler. Now children, put finger in your book and start reading. A few years later, the Battle of Buxar broke out between the Nawab of Bengal, Mir Qasim, and the English East India Company. The Battle of Buxar took place in the year 1764. Who fought the battle? This battle was fought in October 1764 between the British East India Company and the combined forces of Mr. Mir Qasim, the Nawab of Bengal, Shujaudaulah, the Nawab of Awadh, Shah Alam II, the Mughal Emperor. This battle was fought between British and the combined forces of Mir Qasim, Shah Alam II, Shujaudaulah. Children, now the question may be arising in your mind that why did Mir Qasim begin a war against the company? So the reason was that the English East India Company had used their victory in the Battle of Plassey to get a number of privileges from the new Nawab of Bengal, Mir Qasim. Understood? English East India Company used their victory in the Battle of Plassey to get a number of privileges from the new Nawab of Bengal. Okay, here the word privileges means special benefit that is available only to a particular person or group. The company officials often misuse these privileges and reduce the income of the province of Bengal. Children, the company officials started misusing these benefits, special benefits given by the Nawab of Bengal, right? These English merchants carried on private trade without any duty or tax. It means they were not paying the tax and they reduced the income of the province of Bengal. Tired of this plunder by the British, Mir Qasim declared war against the company. Mir Qasim was tired of this plunder or damage by the British, so he declared war against the British East India Company. But English East India Company defeated Mir Qasim in this war. He was supported in this war by the Nawab of Awadh, Shujaudaulah, and the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II. The British emerged victorious again. Children, in this war, Mir Qasim was supported by Shah Alam II, the Mughal Emperor, and Sujauddaulah, the Nawab of Awadh. They helped Mir Qasim in this war. So children, we can say that the combined Indian army of Mir Qasim, Shah Alam II and Sujauddaulah lost the Battle of Buxar and the British got victory again. Understood children?